Hi guys. So after living here in Kolkata for almost 10 years, I have realized that I have never really explored the city like a local. और मैं कभी भी ऐसे वॉक करते करते सिटी को एक्सप्लोर करना या कोई नई जगह ट्राई करना ये मैं बहुत कम करती थी. एंड आई फील लाइक दैट आई शुड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट मोर ऑफन. ऑनेस्टली आई लव and I enjoy exploring cities like a local. When I say this, what I mean is that whenever I have traveled somewhere, I've always ensured that I'm traveling like a local and not like a tourist. But I realized that in my own city, I don't do it, and that is the reason I have thought of exploring my city more like a local. And it's kind of an agenda for 2026 that I thought I would start with from today onwards. So right now I am in Elgin Road. I took the metro and now I'm walking. अगर पुरानी वाली मौज होती तो शायद अभी टोटो ऑटो कैब ये सब कर रही होती. But I feel like I should walk more and it's just like 15-20 minutes walking, so I thought of doing that. So yeah, I'm walking to a new cafe actually because I wanted to have coffee. It's been a while that I haven't been to cafe because that's something which I really like doing. I enjoy hopping around new cafes, going to new places, new cafes actually, trying new coffees, especially different flavors and tastes of coffee. And I have seen कि वहाँ पे अच्छी coffee and matcha tea ये सब कुछ ही मिलता है. So I'm excited to try the menu. इसलिए I'm going to a new cafe which I'm going to reveal very soon. So yeah, come along.
वैरायटी ज़्यादा मिलेगा, देख लो कि अब कुछ लेने का मन है.
So guys, I have reached Cafe de Royce. Wow, coffee is amazing. Hi guys, so I am at Cafe de Royce and this is near to Elgin Road. So basically this is a very nice Christmas themed cafe. I really like the vibe. You can see at the back there is like bottle green everything, and the floor work is also very nice. So I really like the theme actually, and the coffee here is really nice. I've already had my food. So I had Korean barbecue wings and pink sauce pasta, and I also ordered some hazelnut coffee, and I really like the coffee here. So I decided to have one more coffee. I just wanted to try the hot brew coffee, and you know what, I just called for the espresso person who actually brews the coffee so that I can understand what it is, because the coffee list is quite huge. I have seen, but in a very rare cafes and restaurant or place where I've seen so much of huge coffee menu. She came and introduced me to a lot of other different types of coffees. So she gave the description and I really liked it, the way she made it. I asked to give very little sugar, and it tastes as per my choice. So I thought of trying another coffee because I really like the way she explained about all the types of coffees that we have here. I understood what is the difference between cold brew and cold coffee. So previously I never, मुझे ऐसे पता नहीं था कि दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या होता है. मुझे लगता था कि सेम ही होता है, बट बनाने का डिफरेंस है. कोल्ड ब्रू इज़ मोर ऑफ मैनुअल मेकिंग, वो हैंडमेड होता है, एंड कोल्ड कॉफ़ी इज़ मशीन, through machines basically. So I liked cold brew, so now I have ordered for hot brew, and I have this time ordered cafe coffee mocha actually. There should be 70% dark chocolate. I checked the description, I really liked it, so I called for that. So yeah, let's see. I hope the coffee is going to be very, very nice. So I'm enjoying it so far and trying to spend good time here and I am enjoying the vibe. There are so many people, there are mostly young people here, so yeah, I like the vibe here. Amazing. I like the fact that my lipstick is also mocha and I'm having cafe mocha. I'm back home and we are going to do a very cozy winter night routine, a winter night reset, so come along. So as usual, my room looks quite messy and I need to clean this up, so let's get the room clean first. My room is clean and I want to show you this product. I got this one new. This is the makeup melter from Nykaa. This is a cleansing balm और मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से मन था कि मैं try करूँ. This is a new launch. तो इसका package is very cute. You can see the dabba. It's so cute and I so wanted to try this one. I don't know why, just because the packaging is so cute. और I'm so excited to use this one. So let's try it. So I'm able to figure it out. इसको just ऐसे घुमाना पड़ेगा and this thing comes out. This has very like mild fragrance और ये जितना मैं रब कर रही हूँ ना, ये थोड़ा मेल्ट हो रहा है. ये you can see ऐसे थोड़ा सा thick consistency था, but after I am like मैं इसे रब कर रही हूँ फेस पे तो ये थोड़ा watery, ज़्यादा ही oily, melt हो रहा है actually. J'ai un trop petit